Hello guys, and welcome back to Wingnut's Garage with your host here, Sydney Wingnut. How are you all doing? Hope you're enjoying this lovely hot summer weather that we're experiencing. Well, today you join me in the Beetle, and yeah, so there's some interesting news. Well, I think it's interesting. I'll soon be using the Beetle. I think it's ready to give it a little trial run, so that's coming up soon. But in the meantime, I keep, I'm a terrible host, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to record all my little shenanigans that I get up to. The other day, I noticed that I checked the Beetle, I checked all the lights and everything prior to using it on the road, and noticed that one of the rear lights was dim. Sure enough, there was a problem with it. Anyway, I've managed to sort that out now, and yeah, so I forgot to record it. I thought, oh, that would have been interesting. Maybe somebody else would have come across a similar problem. So yeah, let's go outside, and there we go. I'm squashed in there at the moment. Yep. So here's the Beetle. So yeah, I had a trouble with this tail light, and I noticed the indicator was really dim on this side. So I removed the lens. I took the lens off and cleaned all the wiring up. Check the bulb, obviously, first of all. Changed that to I tried 3 different bulbs, and they're all the same, and all the right wattage and everything. So I thought, well, this looks like an earth problem. And like a plonker, cleaned all the earths up and put it back in. It still wouldn't light correctly. It was still a bit dim. So anyway, I put an extra little earth on, but like an idiot, it wasn't until I actually found the problem, which was inside under here, inside this engine cover. There's a little earth tag. So once I checked that out, I realised that that was corroded, and I went to take the earth off, and actually, yeah, I've got it here, preserved it for you to see. So that's the actual earth tag, and I don't know if you can see that, but the male part of it is still in there. It actually just came off, and also it had this repair, which I suspect was probably somebody had seen that and decided to leave it be and cut the earth wire and then snipped it back together later on. They did a pretty good job. They soldered it, however, still wasn't right. So yeah, once we put that on, everything's hunky-dory. Excuse me. So there we are. Needs a bit of a clean-up, but yeah, the Beetle needs a bit of a clean and a bit of a tidy up, but she's pretty much ready to hit the road and yeah, used for the summer. So there we are, really. That's all I wanted to say. Just sort of keeping it in the frame, so to speak. Got an interesting weekend coming up this weekend. Going to a military, bit of a military do up at a local airfield. So keep your eye out for that. And thanks for watching.